Yes, I'm live. Hello everyone. Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, wherever you are tuning in from. It's 10:14 in the evening po dito sa Cambodia. Welcome to day 4 of my live series where I am sharing about my digital business. If this is your first time tuning in, let me introduce first myself. My name is Lani. I'm the face behind this business page. I'm Lan Shibi. I'm an overseas Filipino worker based here in Cambodia. I work as a quality assurance in a manufacturing company. I've been here for almost 30 years now. For recap lang ng aking previous live, na-share ko yung first step na dapat gawin kung interested ka na malaman yung detalye ng business na ito, which is mag-sign up at manood ng 90-minute complimentary webinar. Na-share ko rin yung ilan sa mga key built-in benefits ng business na ito na I hope nakapagbigay naman sa inyo ng pre-insights para makatulong sa inyo na ma-assess kung swak ba sa inyo itong digital business na ito. So for tonight's topic, gusto kong mag-share ng story ko na maaaring makadagdag tulong sa pag-assess nyo ng business na ito. I will be sharing why I decided to start a digital business. And maybe some of you might resonate with my story and can help you make your own decision. Okay. Bilang OFW, I know how challenging life as an OFW can be. We sacrifice a lot para makapag-provide sa ating pamilya back home. But there are times when it feels like what we are earning is still not enough to fully sustain yung ating family's needs and ma-achieve yung dreams natin ng mabilis. Meron tayong mga ganoong moment, di ba? Makaka-relate dito yung mga fellow OFWs ko. So, this was my situation and ito yung nag-push sa akin na to look for another way to supplement my income. I've always desired na magkaroon ng business na makakatulong sa aking OFW income kasi being a single mom, a sole provider, and working full-time as an OFW, I knew that having another source of income ay malaking tulong talaga for me, not just sustain my family's needs, but also bring me closer to achieving my dreams for myself and my family ng mas mabilis. But the challenge was, how do I start a business while working full-time as an OFW? Paano ko nga ba gagawin yun, diba? I knew traditional business models. Mahirap para sa akin na i-manage yun kasi, number one, financial constraints. Kasi starting a physical business, nagre-require to ng malaking capital, which I wasn't sure kung mamamanage ko on top of my family's needs. Then second is yung time. My full-time job as an OFW, kuha niya na halos lahat ng oras ko, leaving me very little para makapag-dedicate pa ako to running a business. Then number 3, yung physical presence. Traditional businesses, nagre-require to that you have to be physically present sa negosyong yan. Which is something na hindi ko makukumet kasi nga nagtatrabaho ako dito sa ibang bansa. So ito yung mga difficulties na nakasagabal or nakakasagabal sa akin para mag-materialize yung plano ko na pagnanegosyo. But despite of these difficulties, of course, hindi ako humihinto sa paghahanap ng solusyon. Until one day, while browsing online, I found this digital business. At first, I was curious but skeptical. I'm sure marami po ang makaka-relate dito. But as I looked deeper, I realized this might be exactly what I had been searching for. Kasi, number 1, hindi makakasagabal sa aking full-time job. Number 2, it's flexible na magagawa ko sa aking free time. Third, it's lucrative na magbibigay sa akin ng extra income. 4, it's legitimate. Napaka-importante po nito na hindi makokompromiso yung estado ko bilang OFW dito sa ibang bansa. And then last, number 5, no selling involved. Na hindi ko kailangan mag-worry about stocking products or mag-push ng sales na isang bagay na wala na akong oras or lakas para isipin pa or gawin pa, di ba? So when I saw that this digital business, na-meet niya yung mga criteria ko, sabi ko, ito na yung opportunity na hinihintay ko, na hinahanap ko. It's something na mag-work siya sa lifestyle ko bilang OFW. And I believe na mag-work din for others in a similar situation. Di po ba? So, if you are someone who is also looking for an extra stream of income or have dreams that you want to achieve sooner, this might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Kaya, I encourage you to take the first step katulad ng ginawa ko. Sign up lang po sa aking website, www.lanshibi.com, and watch the 90-minute complimentary webinar and see if this is the right business fit for you. Yun lamang po sa aking sharing. Thank you so much for joining me tonight and letting me share my story. I hope it resonates with some of you, and if you have any questions or want to know more, feel free to reach out. See you soon. See you on my next live. Bye. Good night.